how beautiful it is in his story.
Gorgeous afternoon, but we are expecting our first powerful fall storms of the season, right?
And it's going to be a series of them moving through, and so that means the rain totals are piling up. Do you remember Halloween last year? We had almost like 1.8 inches of rain in one day, and what that did, well, we could be looking at a couple of days, something similar as far as the rain totals go, and then of course we're going to be adding the wind on top of it. So take advantage, get outside, it's beautiful out, and clean that yard up, you know, and take a look at all that stuff and bring in anything that you don't want to get blown away or extremely wet. Because it's coming. But out there right now, of course, just beautiful. Stiller Vineyard showing some of the colors changing on the vines there. We have one more dry day, so tomorrow will be nice too. We'll be battling some increasing cloud cover, but that's going to be about the extent of it. Soaking rains start before sunrise Thursday, and then it just sticks around. Breezy to windy conditions during the day Thursday, but the strongest winds out of that first system will hold off until Thursday evening and Thursday overnight. So it'll be breezy throughout the day, but then we'll have to keep a close eye on those winds, just how windy it gets Thursday night. Don't think we'll see wind advisory at this point, but there is a potential we could get up near 40 miles an hour, and at that point, that's when you can start to see some of those larger limbs coming down, and then that could mean maybe a stray power outage. So we'll be watching that really closely, and again, more systems on the way after this one, so just kind of getting ready for the first one at this point. 64 degrees out there right now, east winds coming in at 13. Beautiful all up and down the valley, all across Oregon, up into Washington too. Coastal areas got a nice sunny day at the beach, 56 in Cannon Beach right now, 67 in Astoria, feeling really nice out that way. We're in the mid-50s in Central Oregon. It'll be another chilly one tonight with temperatures dipping back down close to freezing there. Meanwhile, for the valley, we're going to see temperatures dipping pretty quickly too, but we'll stay in the 40s. So mid-50s by 9 o'clock, still a little breezy from time to time, so have that jacket handy. And then later tonight, the winds calm down, and we're going to be looking at another start just like this tomorrow morning. So get ready for fog. It could be a little more dense, which could slow you down the roads tomorrow morning. It gets out of here pretty quickly, and then we'll be battling that incoming cloud cover. So still some sunshine, still dry, just not quite as sunny and not as much blue sky as what we saw today. Lows tonight down to 42. It'll be a crisp start to your Wednesday, and then temperatures will be nice and mild by afternoon. By 11 a.m., we're already in the mid-50s, and then by lunchtime, we're getting into the 60s, and we top out tomorrow in the mid-60s. And we're completely dry all day Wednesday. By Wednesday night, we'll start to see the rain approach the coast. We're monitoring this system here. That's going to bring that first front through, and then we'll see a couple of more systems moving in after that. So it'll be very tough to find dry time over the next several days. High wind watches have already been issued for coastal areas. You can see that highlighted in brown here through the coast range. That goes from Thursday afternoon until Friday afternoon, and we'll likely see another wind watch in effect Saturday for that next system. But today, hard to believe we're even talking about a storm when it was so beautiful at the coast. Look at this. This is Lincoln City, and you can see the time lapse there. It'll be a little tougher to get the sunshine going tomorrow, and then after tomorrow, those seas are going to be building, and again, those winds picking up. Rain and cloud forecast. You can see the rain stays off the coast throughout the day. This is 7 p.m. tomorrow night. Still not talking any rain here just yet, but it moves in quickly. And so Thursday morning before sunrise, here we are 4 a.m., we're talking a wet commute, and it'll be breezy too. By the time we get into late Thursday morning, we're still dealing with those showers, and we continue to see the wetter weather, especially for the coast and the coast range. That's 6 through Thursday night. Friday, we're between systems. We'll still have downpours on and off for most of the day Friday, gearing up for that next system on Saturday. So your forecast for Wednesday, mid to upper 60s for the valley, 60s for the coast. Rain moves in tomorrow night. Beautiful east of the Cascades, but we will have to watch for some of the messier weather to head east, and the winds picking up east too by the time we get to Thursday. A real quick check of the rain totals here. This is what we're looking at as we wrap up Friday. Nearly 3 inches of rain here in the valley, and by the time we get into the weekend and by early next week, we're talking rain totals up near 5 inches perhaps. So it is going to be extremely wet. Your 7-day forecast showing it sticks around through early next week, but if we have Wednesday on that 7-day forecast, maybe we could bring the sunshine out. Don't forget to download the PDX weather app, and we'll keep you up to date on the weather changes.
And this is really the traditional Octobers that when we go back in our history, we have storm after storm, some powerful fall storms. And it looks like this October is staying true to that form.
Yep, the storm door is open now.
Wow, wide open. Thanks, Kristen.